kami ng pwedeng iluto sa talong. Kasi may talong siya from her garden.
Yeah, alam mo, pwede rin to sa sige ba, tortang talong. Pero gusto ko may sabaw.
Talong, we can do sinigang. Do you have pork?
Yes, I do have pork. Alam mo, meron din akong. So we need, ano pa may ingredients ng So pork, we have
Tomatoes?
talong, okra, I do have that.
Okra.
I do have
beans?
the long beans.
The long
Kasi
beans,
nga, gusto ko sanang magpinakbet. But we'll show you that for next time.
Oh, yeah.
So,
okay, so what kind of pork do you have?
I do have pork ribs.
I think I like that. Yung ba yung may buto?
May buto
It
siya.
has like bones and cartilage, I like
Dapat
that.
talaga sa sinigang may buto para hindi lang puro fats. Like, a lot of people use pork bellies. Pero I think the one I have
Personally,
is, yung may buto. Kasi yung buto, it gives more flavor. Kasi nga, nandun yung flavor sa buto, di ba?
The bones.
So, maybe we can use that instead
Okay.
of, wala kasi ako ng pork belly. So, maybe that will work.
Yeah, I think I like that too.
Yeah.
So it's not too fatty.
Let's see what else we
Right.
have. Alright guys, I'll check my refrigerator kung ano pa yung meron ako.
If we
Para
can
sa
do
sinigang.
sinigang,
Yes.
pork sinigang, you can do shrimp sinigang. You can also do fish
Yeah,
sinigang. We do it at home. We like the beef sinigang.
Beef sinigang.
Mhm.
Yeah, I
So,
heard, hindi ako
I like
masyado
pork.
yung
I like pork.
beef
but-
sinigang.
Raymond likes beef.
So, yeah, we'll show it.
Oh,
And
sige.
then, while we,
But
Maybe-
before that, we're gonna eat first. You look, this is ube.
yeah, that's ube. Yummy.
Tama ng kainan.
Mm-hmm.
Let's cook now.
Alright, let's go in. Let's go see what we have. Welcome to Lutong Barkada.
I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy. Guys, ito yung nakita namin sa refrigerator ko. So we have kangkong. Perfect. Really like kangkong sa sinigang. Meron din kaming radish, tsaka yung gabi sa sinigang natin. We have sitaw and everything. We prepare all the ingredients already. And then we'll show you that the ingredients in this video.
So what's our first step?
Ito na, of course, we have the spare ribs. I cut them in half para parang bite size lang talaga. Yung good portion. I boil the pork first.
So the scum will
Come out. Yeah, we'll
will
get
come
that.
out
So
and
let's
we'll
turn it
remove
on.
the scum.
Yes. Ito na, lalagay na natin siya dito. Oops! Ah! That's, kasama yan. We're just boiling this meat hanggang lumambot siya. Alright, so we'll cover it and then that's it. So let's check it out. It's boiling now. So let's see. Ito, wala siya masyadong scum, but I can...
Nice.
Alright, so
Okay.
let's continue boiling. Mga 10 more minutes hanggang lumambot ang ating meat.
Okay.
We added another 20 more minutes kasi hindi lumambot yung agad yung aming meat.
Yeah.
Ngayon, I'm gonna strain this. Oopsie. And then one more. Okay. So we'll set this aside, ang meat natin. I'm just gonna strain it. Kasi kikip natin, we'll still be using that. I'm just straining this scum out. So there you go. Ito ang tinatawag na sangkutsa. So, sa
I like that
sangkutsa,
word.
sangkutsa natin yung meat para lumabas mo yung flavor niya. Balik uli natin yung meat natin. And then, sasangkutsahin natin ngayon with this.
Saute.
Yes, mix natin siya. So ngayon, normally you can add fish sauce dito sa this stuff. Pero kasi, yung kids ko, they're allergic to fish, so we don't use fish sauce.
Or patis.
Or patis, hindi sila
So you
pwede.
can use that.
Yeah.
You can
Yeah, whatever you prefer for gamitin na pang-alat. So this time, I'm gonna add salt.
salt.
Yeah, lagyan natin ang
So, Joy, di ba, you were saying that we don't add the salt while we're boiling it because it will toughen the meat. So, tip
Yes.
for you guys.
Oo. Pero, kanya-kanya lang yan.
Kanya-kanya
The way
lang.
how
Oo.
I know. Pero this time, nalagyan na natin yung salt.
Salt. Oo.
Para magkaroon ng lasa yung meat natin. And then, you can always adjust the taste later. So, for now, para lang magkaroon siya ng flavor, lagyan natin siya niyan. Okay. Parang mahirap pa.
Sige, ikaw na kasi nagsikat na yung ano ko.
Sakat niya yung arm ni Marie kakahalo. So, at this point, we can add our lemongrass. Yung lemongrass, pang flavor din, saka pang pabango.
And you can use to add sourness.
Sourness.
Okay.
So, sautay natin with the meat.
Not everybody uses lemongrass.
Not everybody. So,
But you can.
you can, kung wala kayong lemongrass, you can omit that.
Optional.
Optional. Balik din natin siya. And then, pwede tayo magdagdag. I'm not gonna get all that dark one there. Dagdag tayo ng konting tubig.
Yan, I think that's good.
That's
Right?
good. Okay.
Para...
So, papakuluan lang uli natin.
Mga
And
ilang
then we'll
minutes to.
add more ingredients. Siguro mga 10 minutes or less. Siguro less na to. Kailangan lang kumulo siya mabuti para makuha natin yung flavor. And then, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Lalagay naman natin ang gabi kasi
Ito ang gabi.
gabi.
Dahan-dahan.
Taro ba yan?
Taro?
Oo.
Okay.
Medyo matagal maluto to kaya kailangan siya yung
Siya yung
mauna.
first. Ilang minutes?
Hanggat maluto.
Lumambot. Okay.
No,
Ang ano na ito, radish naman. Next
siya.
is, ooh,
Lagyan natin yung radish.
There you go.
Mix siya.
Mix. Sitaw. Sitaw, patani.
Let me just mix it.
Okay. And away.
It's ready to put our okra. Add mo na siya.
Okay. Uy,
And then yung ating banana peppers.
dalawa. Joy.
Dalawa. Hindi naman na siya talaga maanghang.
Okay.
And then i-mix mo siya.
Malaki na.
Wow! So, maluto lang natin yung ating talong. Kasi yung talong, magtutubig pa siya.
Oh, that's why
Oo,
you
we're
don't
not
need
adding
yeah.
more.
Okay.
Okay, so let's cover it and then we'll add. Habang kumukulo ang ating, naghihintay tayo na maluto yung vegetables natin. Maglalagay tayo nitong sinigang mix here. And then we'll add hot water.
Para matunaw, right?
Oo. So, we start with the whole package. And a half. And a half. Kasi mukhang konti lang
I-mix
to.
ko na.
Gusto ko kasi maasim.
Ako din.
Yeah. So, let's start with 1 and a half na package. And then, you can add more water.
Let me know.
Okay, that should be good. So, mix natin
Okay,
siya.
mix mo na siya.
And then, ito yung mixture ng pang-asim natin. We will add here. Ito, mukhang luto na yung mga vegetables natin.
Oh, yes.
And then, siguro, before we put this, we can add our kangkong.
Just everything?
Everything. Kasi madali lang siyang maluto. I know it's gonna be full.
But it
Pag
will.
nag-wilt siya, magiging... cover muna natin.
I can scoop that in. And cover.
Okay, Marie, let's open that. Ayan, medyo wilted na yung ating gulay, ang ating kangkong. So now, I'm going to add yung pang-asim natin. This is sinigang na nilagyan ng hot water. Ito na siya.
And then we can adjust the taste.
Ito na. Ang ating... Okay. Okay, here.
Sige, sige lang. I will mix.
Asim.
Asim. Kasi wala pa naman masyadong salt eh, no?
Sa akin, okay na yung ano.
Saltiness niya.
Saltiness.
Okay.
I want you to taste it. There you go. There you go.
Bukas
Tsaka
ko pa
alam mo,
to.
lalasahan ko yung lemongrass.
Oh, nice. You're right.
Yeah.
Yung
Tama
salty
lang
na siya.
kasi, yung iba, ako kasi naglalagay ako ng patis on the side. Kasi,
Pero okay
personal
na yung
taste ko
sauce.
siya sa kanya. So, off na natin. So, ready na yung ating sinigang. And then, we'll serve this. And then, let's eat.
Wow!
Dreams come